And now we're up here making our sweet, sweet ghoul music with our mouths. I'm Shane!
I'm gonna coast through the stop sign.
Oh no! Come on! Ryan!
Oh, we gotta go. It's the devil.
You done? All right, maybe enough stalling. Why do I?
What? Well, you got me.
Oh, I thought. That's how they speak? They go. And they touch their nipples? As far as code names go, though, Aquatone.
Pretty cool. What? No! What would you have called it? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Don't go down there. Okay, that's better.
Oh, yeah, now you're like, now you close the letter. Now put that stamp on it. You gotta make sure you got a stamp on it. That's how you lick stamps, all right. Now you're taking it to the mailbox. Give it a little kiss before you send it off.
Let it go!
Let's try it again. Yeah, he's in there dancing to Billie Eilish. He's sitting there, he's loving it. He's loving it. He's throwing popcorn?
Yeah.
Does it bite?
Yeah, 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 yeah!
Well, if it's any consolation, you look like an idiot. Shut your stupid mouth. Holy shit, dude, this is fucking scary.
Clear! Clear! Call it. He's fucking dead.
Well, now this is a beautiful, gorgeous room with wonderful acoustics. Oh, my ghouls, won't you tug on my shirt?
Yeah! 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 Blah, 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 blah. Yeah! Ah! You think you're crazy? You haven't seen crazy yet! Yeah!
That is quite a reaction.